we've got a clean double top here in UJ. Still got my first position in. That's running into a nice profit. We've got some news coming out this afternoon as well. Just going to whack a pending order in there. Pull the chart up on trading view. Yeah, look at that beauty. Just going to line these up quickly. Cleanest double top you could ever get. Reckon we can get another run up into those highs as well. Got some news coming out this afternoon to see if that pushes that straight to TP. But market broke that 3 or 4 touch level previously. We came running down all the way into the demand level below market. Came back up, tested it about twice. So I think that level's done now. If we run back up into it, we should just be taking out these stop losses above market there. Lines up with ATR as well, which is always nice. Still waiting for this pending order to fill, but I'll check back in and update you what goes on with that. Lovely, got triggered into that trade. News nearly took us out there. Recovered well, strong hourly close, running into the take profit now. Bosh, that's what we like. What's going on here then? Bit of a prick for a fucking tick. Almost went to take profit. Came down to entry. Bang, straight back up into there again. Then we're at stop loss. Just like that. Well, looks like that's the end of that one then. Right then, NFP. Where boys become men, or whatever happens with the genders these days. Typical by the looks of it. I mean, if I just held my first position like always, it looks like it would have gone in my favour. But one time I don't actually want to trade it. I actually want to trade NFP and it goes in my fucking favour. Not the end of the world. I've got a backup plan. So what I'm going to do is there's a lovely still 2 touch level above market. I'd like a break or retest on. Get back in there. And it's going to delete this order below market as well. We're not coming back for a retest there. If we come back for a retest there now, I'm not looking to get into that. But yeah, well, still not going to trade NFP in the future though. That ain't a bit of me. Had my first losing week this week during the whole session. This one almost came there, close but not quite. This one smashed it out the park. Yeah, my first loser. Hopefully we'll recover this the following week after. Got some good trades lined up. Let's have a look at some of these losers then, what's happened. So this one, I had an AUD USD long position. Right at the end of the day, I mean, after that mess earlier of this week, I should have just taken that Friday off. I didn't need to get into this trade, to be honest with you. But it was NFP news. Market came straight down into that level, created a nice hammer there. I thought I was going to get some of that profit back by the close of day on that Friday anyway, so I wouldn't go in to hold this over the weekend, but it would have been nice to recoup some of the losses and end it on a green week, which is why I think I took this loss in the first place. This trade was taken, what, 3:30 in the afternoon? Getting into US session quite heavily. It's a Friday evening, you don't really want to be holding trades. I mean, this trade literally went nowhere. Let's have a look where it ended up. So I mean, 67% short as well. I mean, but we were coming in. The orders were drying up slowly, about to create a flip in a position. So this could quite easily turn into majority longs next week. But straight to stop loss. I wish it went straight to fucking TP, but that's how we ended the week. One prior to that as well. This was the long-term trade that I held from the start of this week. Lovely level traded into. Could have managed this a little bit better. I should have managed it a lot better considering it was the NFP week as well. Because yeah, there was clear levels just below market here where I could have got out of, reassessed and got back in, but decided to hold this for the long haul. Reason for exit, we've got the double, it's like a double bottom there really, but support and resistance flip, break of the level, came straight up into it, created an hourly shooting star. Of course, as we know, this trade went significantly further in profit after this, after the news came out, but that is enough of an exit signal I needed. I wasn't holding through NFP during this level. That could have easily just went straight to my stop loss and I would have been even more pissed than just missing the trade altogether, but at least we got something from it. Percentage wise, it was a 1R loss that day, which isn't too bad, to be honest with you. The losses are small, winners are still big. Really decent average P&L there, 4 to 1.98. So that's that week. I mean, looking at the week ahead as well, some really good levels. Want to see how the data aligns with this one though, but I'd like to trade a retest of this level. Although that's a massive stop loss, I'm not looking for a stop loss all the way up here just to run it back into this level. So we'll look for some sort of PA around this level to get that tighter stop, hopefully. Same with Euro USD as well, I believe. Not much to trade on that one, to be honest with you. No good levels there. Nothing there at all. Not looking at that. Not looking at that. Nothing there either. And UJ. This is the preferred trade of the week. I wish I got an entry in there, but after the week I had, I just got off the trading view after that. I missed this trade completely. I don't know if this trade is going to be done now, to be honest with you. Might have to look for another fucking level above market, but there's no PA there really either. I mean, we'll see what happens. We'll just keep a good eye on this one over the next week and see if we can find a good entry for a long position. But other than that, I'm not really looking at much else. Crazy news next week. We've got interest rates as well as CPI slap bang on the same day on Wednesday. So those are two big events I don't want to be trading either. Luckily they both fall on the same day. Expecting a big market move, might even hold out until that news is done. If nothing really aligns, we'll have to wait and see on that one. But that's all I'm looking at for this week anyway. Hopefully try and get back into a profitable week. I don't want to start a big losing trend. Let's have a look at my streak at the moment. Loss, win, loss, win, loss. Let's hopefully get that back on a win. Looking at the equity graph though, let's have a better look at that. Is it Chart Lab? Where is it? I was literally right there. Right, percentage return. Lovely graph. Up, small dip, up, small dip, and then a bit sideways. Hopefully we break out of this channel. No retest, just a full on break and go up from there, but it never works like that. Biggest loser, 2.29%. Biggest winners, 13.57% with 20% return there. So yeah, literally after the count was from that one trade. It was a really good trade, that GJ one. But we've got a lot of small winners in there as well that have added on top of that. So yeah, that's it for this week really. Probably won't be trading Monday unless anything really sets up here, but we could, if we could get a pullback down to this naked level below market, that'd be a nicer entry. We'll be keeping my eye on this one as well. We'll have to see what the Monday, Tuesday, and then definitely won't be trading the Wednesday until after the news events have happened. But interest rates are like 7 PM anyway, so it's probably going to be quite dead until the Thursday. Hopefully it picks up towards the end of the week. If not, we could be not trading for this entire week, to be honest with you. It's not looking good. We'll have to see how it pans out.